Circle Farm. My name's Michelle. This is our first ever video and we're going to pot up some hanging baskets today. Okay guys, we're over here now at our mixing station, and today for our hanging baskets we're using the Pro Mix BX biofungicide with other additives for moisture retention. We're also using a water trough to do our mixing of our soil. Okay guys, so now we've got the bag completely busted open. What we want to do now is make sure that all the clods, the dirt, soil is broken up here. So that is what I've done, is broken up. Alright, now what I'm doing is I'm mixing with my gardening fork here. I'm pulling the dry material up so that I don't overwater. So I'm just mixing it in. We are ready. Okay, now we are getting ready to pot up our 12-inch hanging basket. This is a cone. It is a banana leaf cone. It is a very heavy-duty gauge wire. This basket is unique to us this year. It's our first time ever having it. We are going to sell them with the wire hanger. If you do not have an area where you can hang your basket, this year we have stands for our cone baskets, and they will sit in very comfortably. Okay guys, I have a little metal container here. We are going to start potting up our Pro Mix here, and we're putting it in our hanging basket. We don't want to pack the soil in. We just want it to kind of settle in here, and we don't want to overfill it because we're going to be putting our plants in. Once we get our plants settled, if there's still not enough soil, we'll go back. Okay, I had to stop potting up for a few minutes because the growing medium is getting too dry, so I'm going to have to add some water. Okay guys, we're going to talk about the 3 types of flowers that we're going to put in our hanging baskets today. So the very first one is what we call a spiller, and it is our black eye Susie. So it's a yellow flower, in the center has a black eye. This gives your hanging basket that effect of not only the foliage coming over the sides, but beautiful yellow flowers. We're going to pair that with our wavy plum petunia. This here is our thriller in our basket because it's going to mound up and give the most color. And the plum is very, very pretty. Next is our sweet potato vine. It is just a foliage, but it's going to give us that spilling effect also. And the beautiful color of the foliage is going to work well with the colors of the flowers. Okay, now we're going to add our flowers to our basket. We're going to start with our black eye Susan. We're going to set it close to the edge, but not all the way in. I would say about an inch away from the edge. We are going to gently tap it in. We're going to get our other black eye Susie, and we're going to add it the opposite side, doing the same thing. Making sure that the growing medium comes around and you gently tap the plant in. Now, we're going to add in our sweet potato vine, the blackie here, on these ends, opposite of each other. Again, about an inch out from the edges. Gently tap in. These are very well watered already, so that is good having them watered before they go in. And now we're going to add in our wave plum petunia right in the center. And this will give us that effect of the mounding coming up with the foliage and the sweet potato vine and the yellow flowers. Now just a little bit more soil around the edge. And we have a beautiful hanging basket. Okay guys, we're now going to hang our moonlight basket, and I'm going to show you how to attach the wire hanger. So we're going to take it here. There's 3 hooks. We hook each one on. Once you have it hooked on, you want to gently push your little wire edges in, just a little. And this is just going to ensure that it doesn't fall off. Now we're going to hang the basket. And there's your beautiful cone basket.